Everyone thinks Apple TV is already perfect. But what if I told you Apple is quietly preparing its biggest upgrade in years? Not just a small refresh. It's a real shift in how we stream, game, and connect our entire Apple ecosystem. Stay with me till the end, because the Apple TV 2025 might surprise even longtime Apple users. This is Tap Tech, and today, we're talking about the upcoming Apple TV 2025. Apple TV has always been different. It was never about being cheap. It was about being smooth, fast, and deeply connected to the Apple ecosystem. But the streaming world is changing fast. Smart TVs are getting smarter. Consoles are becoming entertainment hubs. And competitors are pushing aggressive pricing and features. Apple knows this. And that's exactly why Apple TV 2025 matters. Leaks and industry reports suggest Apple is planning a meaningful upgrade, not just a spec bump. And when Apple moves slowly, it usually means something bigger is coming. Let's start with performance. The current Apple TV uses the A15 chip. It's powerful, still faster than most streaming boxes. But Apple TV 2025 is expected to move closer to Apple's newer silicon. There's strong speculation around an A17 class, or even newer chip. Not confirmed, but it makes sense. Why does this matter? Because Apple isn't just thinking about streaming anymore. Apple Arcade is growing, controller support is improving, and Apple keeps pushing gaming quietly but consistently. With a newer chip, Apple TV 2025 could handle console-like visuals for casual and mid-level gaming, smoother frame rates, better lighting, more detailed textures, not PlayStation level. Way beyond typical streaming boxes, and this matters for the future. Apple doesn't rush trends. It builds foundations. Now let's talk about visuals. Apple TV already supports 4K HDR, Dolby Vision, and HDR 10+. So what's next? The focus isn't resolution, it's consistency and processing. Apple TV 2025 is expected to improve real-time HDR, tone mapping. It means better brightness control depending on your TV, more accurate colors, less crushed blacks, and smoother highlights. Especially important for old and mini LED TVs. Apple wants content to look the same as creators intended, no matter the display. This is where Apple's silicon advantage really shows. Now, audio. Apple has invested heavily in spatial audio. And Apple TV 2025 is expected to take this even further. Better Dolby ATMA's processing, lower latency with AirPods, stronger integration with HomePod. Imagine this. You sit on your couch. You put on AirPods Pro, and the Apple TV automatically switches to personalized spatial audio, tuned to your room and your head position. No settings. Delays. That's the Apple experience. And yes, HomePod pairing is expected to be smoother. 2. Less dropouts. More stable stereo and surround setups. Now let's talk about TVOs. This is where Apple TV 2025 could quietly become much smarter. Apple is expected to bring deeper AI-powered recommendations. Not flashy, but useful. Instead of pushing random shows, Apple TV could understand your habits better. What you watch late at night, what you watch with family, what you binge on weekends, and then suggest content across all apps. It's not just Apple TV Plus. Apple doesn't want to be just another app launcher. It wants to be the central hub. There's also talk about improved profiles, faster switching, better parental controls, and smarter content filtering for kids. Simple changes, but they matter. Now here's something interesting. Smart home integration. Apple TV already works as a HomeKit hub, but Apple TV 2025 is expected to strengthen this role. Faster response times, better thread and matter support, and more reliable automation. That means your Apple TV could become the brain of your smart home. Lights dim automatically when a movie starts. Security camera feeds appear instantly in picture-in-picture. Doorbell alerts without interrupting playback. This is where Apple TV becomes more than entertainment. Now let's talk about connectivity. Wi-Fi 6E or even Wi-Fi 7 support is expected. Not confirmed, but likely. This would mean faster streaming, lower latency, and more stable performance in crowded networks, especially useful for 4K. HDR streaming and cloud-based gaming, Ethernet support is also expected to remain, because Apple knows. Premium users still care about wired stability. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Price. Apple TV. It's always been more expensive than competitors. An Apple TV 2025 probably won't be cheap, but Apple may adjust its strategy. There are strong rumors about Apple exploring a more aggressive price to compete with high-end streaming boxes, especially as services become the real profit driver. Apple doesn't just sell hardware, it sells subscriptions, and Apple TV 2025 could be positioned as a long-term gateway to Apple TV Plus, Arcade, Fitness Plus, and more. Now let's talk about design. Don't expect a dramatic redesign. Apple TV hardware is already compact and minimal, but internal cooling improvements are expected. Better thermal efficiency, quieter operation, and more sustained performance during gaming or long sessions. The Siri remote is also expected to get subtle refinements, better grip, improved battery life, possibly enhanced Find My support. No gimmicks, just refinement. Now let's discuss Siri. This is important. Apple is working on making Siri more contextual and natural. An Apple TV 2025 could benefit from that. Better voice search, more accurate commands, and smarter follow-up questions. Instead of repeating yourself, Siri could understand context. You say, "Play the next episode," and it just works. Cross apps, that's the goal. Now here's the big picture. Apple TV 2025 is not about shocking specs. It's about ecosystem power. If you own an iPhone, iPad, AirPods, HomePod, or Mac, Apple TV becomes the center of your living room. Your photos, your music, your games, your workouts, your movies, all seamless, and Apple knows premium users value. Experience more than raw numbers. Now let's talk release timing. Apple usually refreshes Apple TV quietly. No big stage moment, it's just a press release based on Apple's typical cycle. Apple TV 2025 is expected to launch sometime in 2025, likely alongside other ecosystem updates. Nothing is confirmed yet, and Apple won't say a word until it's ready. But the signs are there: chip upgrades, software evolution, ecosystem focus. Now here's the question. Should you wait? If you already own the latest Apple TV, there's no rush. It's still excellent. But if you're using an older Apple TV or a basic streaming stick, Apple TV 2025 could be worth waiting for, especially if you care about performance, longevity, and deep Apple integration. And knowing Apple, this device will be supported for many years. Before we wrap up, here's the key takeaway. Apple TV 2025 isn't trying to be loud. It's trying to be better. Better performance, better audio, better smart home control, better ecosystem integration. And sometimes, that's what matters most. If Apple delivers even half of what's expected, Apple TV 2025 could quietly become the best streaming box on the market. Not because it's flashy, but because it just works. If you enjoyed this deep dive, stay connected with Tap Tech. We bring you clear, it's honest tech updates without the noise. More Apple leaks, launches, and real-world breakdowns are coming soon, and you won't want to miss what Apple is planning next. Thanks for listening. This is Tap Tech.